Assalamu alaikum student. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. As my notice, you always complete your book. I continue, you are doing your work also. Next important thing, complete your assignment, whatever date I am giving to complete your assignment, complete on that time. And today student, I will going to explain you the 3.5 practice set. Okay student, shall we start? Nothing we have to do. It is the topic is there, similarity of triangles. Understood? Similarity of triangles. ये तो टॉपिक है जो आपको अभी छोटे से कॉन्सेप्ट में है, बट इन द 10th स्टैंडर्ड इट इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द ज्योमेट्री. Similarity sign is same like this. We have to compare two triangles. Okay? आप क्या करोगे? दो ट्राइंगल्स को कंपेयर करोगे और दोनों का ट्राइंगल्स कंपेयर कब होगा? जब उसकी सारी साइड्स एंगल्स क्या होंगे? They will be should be similar. Understood? Now what is the remaining part? We will go for, if side is remaining, we will go for corresponding side of a congruent triangle. If angles are remaining, so I will do corresponding angle of a congruent triangle. You know very well that we have done in the last exercise only. Okay students, shall we start? The very first question is given to you that if a triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, which two triangles are given? How students, which two triangles are given to us? In triangle XYZ is similar, the sign of similar to triangle LMN. Okay, write the corresponding angle of two triangles and also write the ratio of the corresponding side. See, ratio side का क्या बनाने बोला है आपको? रेशियो. और एंगल्स का क्या बनाने बोला है आपको? corresponding angles बताया है, मतलब congruent angle बताना है. डन बेटा? चलो. So shall we start? Now we have to show first the corresponding angle. So how we going to show the corresponding angle? See, let me draw it is not compulsory to draw for our sake only. I am just making a small triangles to you. The name is X, Y, Z, L, M, N. See, angle X is congruent to angle L, है ना? So I will write angle X. Angle X is congruent to angle M. Okay. Angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Z congruent to angle N. Angle Z congruent to angle N. Then this is all what beta? This is are all corresponding angle of a similar triangles. Understood beta? Now the next question, what the question is asked to do? Next we have to answer the ratio in the side ratio in the corresponding. Means जो side है उसको हम किसको बताना है? corresponding को बताना है ratio में. Shall we start? हाँ? So I will going to write. See, I will going to take this side congruent to this side. So I will write. Or you can write side also, or you can write segment also. Whatever you can write. Okay? Or direct you can also write. So therefore x y ratio किससे होगा? LM equals to YZ. See, I am taking this. Okay, these two sides. Upon MN equals to, then I am taking the third side. Okay, so XZ upon LM. Understood? This is a side and there is a in the ratio. So write the reason also. Corresponding sides of a, it is a similar triangle, right? Not congruent. Okay? It is a similar triangle. So that is my our question. Understood? Come on, do it fast. So I will go to the next question. Okay? Done beta? Come on. Now we go to the next question number 2 for you. triangle PQR similar. Is PQ with 8, find the remaining side of PQR. See, now you will write given part. Okay, what are you going to write here right now? Write the given part. What is given? See, what is given? I should write here. XY equals to 4 centimeter, YZ 6 centimeter, XZ 5 centimeter, and next triangle PQ 8 centimeter. To find remaining side of a triangle PQY. Right? Now I am going to start the solution. Okay, student? Now first of all, what I will going to do? I will take the ratio of this. Okay? First you write triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR. Okay? Now for this I will going to make a small triangle for you. XYZ PQR. Now easy to take the ratio of the side, right? So I am going to take therefore XY upon PQ is equals to YZ upon QR equals to XZ upon PR. It is an corresponding side of a similar triangles. Understood? Now whatever the value we have, shall we take the value? Sure. Now, so I will put the value. XY I have 4, PQ I have 8 equals to YZ I have 6 and QR I don't have, and XZ I have 5 and PR I don't have. Understood? Now I am going to take these two ratio. Okay? Now we will take these two ratio. You can take, it is an equation number 1 for us. Right? Now I am going to take this ratio. So therefore 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR. I will make a cross multiplication. QR is equal to, see what is that? 6 into 8, right? QR into 4. 4 is in multiplication. I will take in the division form. See, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So QR equals to 4 3s are 12. So I got QR as a 12 centimeter. Done, beta? Then again I will going to take, see, 4 upon 8, I will going to take 5 upon PR from equation number 1. That ये क्या लिख लो? It is came from equation number 1. Then now again same thing we have to do cross multiplication. PR equals to 5 into 8, 8 into 5 you can write, and PR multiplied with the 4. 4 in the multiplication I have taken in the division form. Right? Come on, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So PR equals to 2 into 5, 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. So I got PR as a 10 centimeter. Done, student? Now what are the questions they asked? Right then, they asked QR equals to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? So that is your second question. Do it first. Okay, students, shall we go with the next question number 3 to you? triangles, okay, similar triangles. Show the corresponding angles by the same sign. You have to show the corresponding angles by same sign. Please remember, क्या बताने बोला है? Corresponding जो angles होंगे वो same sign होने चाहिए, okay? And show the length of the corresponding side by the numbers in a proportion. Number in proportion, okay? Shall we start? We have to take two triangles, okay? Question number 3. I am doing solution for 2. See, I had made with the help of scale pencil. You have to draw the diagram. Okay, beta. See, I made one. No matter whatever that, because first of all, give the name. Any name you can give. Any kind of name you can give to it. Okay. So I have written A, B, C, P, Q, R. We have to show the corresponding angle with the similar sign. So A is corresponding to P, B is corresponding to Q, and C is corresponding to R. I have taken my sign. You can change it and you can write with a similar sign. Then next your question is asked. Show the length of corresponding side by number in proportion. Number in proportion. See, if I have taken this as 10 centimeter, so I have to take these as 5 centimeter. If I have taken these as 8 centimeter, so I should take these as 4 centimeter. Right? If I have taken these as 12 centimeter, so I should take these as 6 centimeter. Proportion means 1/2. Okay? Or 2/1. Whatever the ratio you can take. Now, you can say that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Understood? This is our last exercise of the chapter number 3. Okay? Now inshallah, now one more chapters are remaining, 3.4. So in that we have to go for the angle bisector theorem, and sum of the two sides is equals to third side. This some of the theorems are there. We have to apply in that question, and 8 sums are there. Inshallah, I will provide the video for that. In my live lecture, you can watch that practice set. Okay? By the time, students, take care, stay home, complete your work. Whatever you having doubt regarding any of the question you didn't understood, so please come to me or contact to me. I will going to explain you many times. Okay? But until and unless you should practice, and then you can come for the doubt section. Okay? By the time, take care, do the assignments. Allah Hafiz.